This is matrices, okay? So this is the this is my response book. This is where I record my responses. And then this is the stimulus book. And it says for ages 4 through 7, it's the same type of sheet. It gives you a starting instruction sheet, so it's really no-brainer. And it basically has your basal and your ceiling rule. They need to get 3 in a row correct to start the test, and you discontinue after 4 incorrect. So this is the sample, and it says this one, and you actually, this is on the other side, so if you look at it, this is what they get on the other side. This one, and you read whatever is bold, goes with one of these. Point to the one that it goes with. So, or they could say A, and if they said A, and what's interesting about this one is if you look at the bottom here, it actually gives the test in Spanish. So it can be given bilingually, which is really nice. Not all tests are. So we clearly don't have a 4 to 6-year-old, but I will give you some samples. So I'm gonna pass it around. So this one goes with which one here? And if he picks C, he would be correct. So we would then skip. This one goes with which one?
E.
E. So let's flip it. Now it gets a little more difficult. This picture goes with these pictures. Just
C.
as this picture goes with which one? He should have selected C. Then it gets more. Which one goes here?
A.
Then it gets more difficult. I'm skipping a whole bunch, as you could see, just to give you a sample. How difficult it might get. It's supposed to get progressively more difficult. The answer is F. So I'm going to just skip to the last, the second to last, and the last one. And we usually, if we were live, I would tell you to look at this and try to, before you answer, try to pause this on this screen and try to identify which this would be. So pause it now. If you selected B, you would be correct. And this is the last one. Which one goes there? And we usually split off into groups, which we can't right now, but make an attempt to figure out which one. Pause it and I'll pause before I give you the answer. You should have selected A. So that was the whole test. It gets more difficult. So if they get multiple wrong in a row,